Hello and welcome to My Metal Opinion. Today we're going to be checking on a rapper. And before we get into the song, who it is, if you could drop a like, leave a comment with anything you would like me to react to, and subscribe, they're all free. I would greatly appreciate it. But today we're going to talk about the Snow the Product song that came out like 3 weeks ago. I know I'm a little late to some things. I'm trying to get my head wrapped around recording again and pumping out a bunch of content like I was before because my computer went down. So we're gonna check out Avioncito. Let's get into it.
¿Qué tanto me llamas? ¿Qué tanto me llamas? Si soy lo peor, dice que soy lo peor. Tequilita y avioncito, mientras tanto yo me quito pa' ver si te va mejor. ¿Qué tanto ahora? ¿Qué tanto me llamas? ¿Qué tanto me llamas? Si soy lo peor, dice que...
I have no idea what she's saying, but I do like the vibe of the song where she's in the restaurant and it switches between the band and then the women. I think it's a cool transition.
Soy lo peor. Tequilita y avioncito, mientras tanto yo me quito pa' ver si me va mejor. Tanto tiempo que dijiste que todo era tan difícil, que tus amistades dicen que mi nombre andaba en chismes, que tu familia te exige que ya te comprara el ticket pa' irte pa' donde viniste, que te cansas de decirme que mi estilito de vida ya no te parece y me dijiste adiós.
I don't.
Que te
Okay, didn't want to stop there. Uh, I don't know what she's saying, but it sounds good. Sounds really good. I should probably look up the lyrics to this song, but I like it a lot. I like the vibe of it. I like the beat and how she's riding on the beat too.
enfadase de no ser la prioridad, yo trabajando pa' sacar para los dos. A mí me criaron que a la nena lo que quiera, yo le di todo mi amor. Compré casa, compré carro, compré perro y al final el pinche perro me dejó. ¿Qué tanto me llamas? ¿Qué tanto me llamas? Si soy lo peor, dice que soy lo peor. Tequilita y avioncito, mientras tanto yo me quito pa' ver si te va mejor. ¿Qué tanto ahora? ¿Qué tanto me llamas? ¿Qué tanto me llamas? Si soy lo peor, dice que soy lo peor. Tequilita y avioncito, mientras tanto yo me quito pa' ver si me va mejor. Quiero un tequila más o ronda de mezcal, traigan la banda.
Yeah, so I've been just listening, trying to. So we'll see how that goes for me with this. But yeah, I mean, it's a very good song. I have no complaints about it. It's really hard to understand what you're listening to when you don't know what they're saying. But the beat's good. She's on beat, rhythm, and she always is. It's insane. I was hoping she would switch in between English and Spanish because she is one of the best at it, I believe, in my opinion. She's absolutely insane to ride into English and Spanish like without even thinking, and it sounds good, and it also correlates with what she is saying in English and in both languages. It's not like she's just saying things to make it sound like it's being said good in English. You know what I mean? So, yeah.
Ya que hoy sí quiero cantar, tóquenme todas las dientes, porque son Charlie, no Sánchez, de Chente hasta Pedro Infante, de Jenny a Pedro Fernández, en la tambora, viejas que me hagan porra, que no me dejen sola, yo que planeaba boda, todo se fue a la bola, tráigame una corona, toquen banda Jerez por esa cabrona, mira que tanto me llamas, que tanto me llamas, si soy lo peor, dice que soy lo peor. Tequilita y avioncito, mientras tanto yo me quito pa' ver si te va mejor. ¿Qué tanto ahora? ¿Qué tanto me llamas? ¿Qué tanto me llamas? Si soy lo peor, dice que soy lo peor. Tequilita y avioncito, mientras tanto yo me quito pa' ver si me va mejor. A mí me criaron que a la nena lo que quiera, yo le di todo mi amor.
The dog with the liquor bottle is funny to me.
Compré casa, compré carro, compré perro y al final el pinche perro me dejó.
Well, if you know any of the lyrics to that song and you want to enlighten me, drop it down in the comments below. Also, just make sure you drop a comment for what you want me to see me to react to. I know the English is bad there. I'm trying to get better at recording again because took a couple months off because my computer, it was more like just a month. Computer crashed. Got a new one, so we're coming in hot and heavy with all the content here. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace and love.